In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a newcomer to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher on the login process, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. It's always good to make sure your browser is updated to ensure compatibility and security when accessing any web service. Once your browser is open, you're ready for the next step. Next, navigate to the Salesforce website. You can do this by typing Salesforce into your browser search bar or directly entering the URL if you have it. This action will bring you to Salesforce's homepage, a gateway to managing your data and resources effectively. Once you're on the website, it's time to move on to the login process. On the Salesforce homepage, look for the Login button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page, easily visible and accessible. Click on this button, and it will direct you to the login page, where you'll enter your unique credentials to access your account. Now, it's time to enter your username. You'll usually use your official email address or the username associated with your Salesforce account. Be sure to enter your details carefully, as any typo might prevent you from logging in. If you're unsure of your username, you might want to check with your system administrator or your initial sign-up confirmation email. After entering your username, you will need to input your password. Make sure it's the correct one associated with your Salesforce account. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock is off if you didn't intend for it to be on. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Salesforce provides an option to reset it through the Forgot Password link on the login page. If prompted, the next step is to complete a security verification process. This is an extra security measure to protect your account, which may involve verifying a code sent to your email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you've successfully completed any required security verification, the final step is to click the login button. After doing so, you should be successfully logged into your Salesforce account, gaining access to the full range of features and capabilities it offers. And there you have it, a complete and simple guide to logging into Salesforce. With this knowledge, you'll be ready to enter the world of Salesforce smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy navigating.